It's the Black-Matician.
That's me!
Greetings, mathematicians, and welcome to the very first lesson from the Black-Matician, a solution to your math problem provided by somebody that looks like you, talks like you, and in the future could probably be you. I'm Gray, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to understand and solve absolute value. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, and then go. Before we can even start talking about absolute value, you have to know what an integer is. An integer is any number that is negative, 0, or positive. Okay, so it could be all the negative numbers on a number line, the number 0, and all the positive numbers on a number line. All the way up to positive 376, and all the way down to negative 378. Negatives, 0, and positives. Don't forget. Now, absolute value is just the distance that those numbers are from 0. Distance is never negative. Distance is always positive. Would you tell a friend that their house is negative 12 feet away? No, you would tell them that their house is 12 feet away. So distance is always positive. So when I'm talking about absolute value, I'm telling you to find the positive number for that distance. I want to know the distance from 0, so the number is going to be positive. When we're doing absolute value, we always put these little bars. And the bars institute that I want to know the absolute value of a number. So let's do an example really quick. So if I say the absolute value of negative 2, I want to know how far is negative 2 on a number line from 0. So let's look at that really quick. Alright, so I'm at negative 2, and I'm going to jump all the way to 0. I'm going to go from negative 2 to negative 1, and then negative 1 to 0. That's 2 spaces, so the absolute value of negative 2 is in fact 2. Positive 2. Don't forget that. Well, that about sums it up here at Black-Matician headquarters. If you like what you've seen or heard, please give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, you're not hurting my feelings, subscribe, and ring my bell so you can get my next lesson. Coronavirus got you sitting on the couch watching TV and your life's passing you on by. You're thinking, well, maybe I'll go to school next year, or maybe next semester. No! Do it right now. I'll work with you whenever you want. You can watch me before you turn on the PlayStation, and after you turn on the PlayStation. Whatever you need to do to graduate. Go subscribe right now. I'm out here to help you. You spend all day on your phone anyway, might as well subscribe to a channel that's gonna help you in your future. All you gotta do is pick up the phone and subscribe. Why are you making this so complicated? It's easy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna subscribe to my own channel right now.